it's Arushi and today I'm back with the video. Now today's video is a very quick, casual and informal video. I'm in my night suit, my pajamas. I have no makeup on, just some lipstick on because and I'm just going to be showing you a first impressions video and a very quick haul. Starting off with the haul, I went to this this local beauty lingerie store to get myself a hello.
Hello.
Hi. एक बार पहले हाय बोल, मैं फिल्म कर रही हूँ. Okay, sorry, my friend called. So basically, I went to this local beauty lingerie store to get myself a pair of black stockings. I have a farewell tomorrow, so I needed a pair of stockings, so I got these. Now these were the normal black nylon stockings, and these were retailed for $3.25. Along with that, I got two things out of curiosity and one thing I needed. So
the first thing that I got are these nose pose strips by Hip Hop, and I'm doing the product review on this, the first impressions. The second thing that I got is this beauty blender by this Chinese brand called Kelly. I wanted to try a beauty blender out and I didn't want to spend $1,000. I spent $150 on this and this works pretty well for me. The next thing is the Maybelline Colossal Liner. I needed a new liner, so I got this one. Tell me if you guys want another review on this. And the last things are the stockings that I basically went for to the lingerie store.
The four things that I got from the local beauty store, and I'm going to be doing a first impression of these pose strips. Now I've always been curious about how pose strips work. Now the best thing about pose strips is that not everyone can go to the beauty parlor and get their cleanups done, and pose strips come handy in these situations. Now I have never tried a pose strip and I was very curious about how this works, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. So I'm going to be reviewing these and I'm going to tell you how these work for me. I'm going to read out the instructions, so if you guys like the product, you can go get this for yourself. This is available on Nykaa and in any local beauty store, so you can get your hands on these. So without any further blabbering, let's get started.
So these are the Hip Hop Skincare Deep Cleansing Nose Pose Strips, which claim to instantly clean your clogged pores and remove your blackheads and whiteheads. This retails for 119 rupees for 5 pore strips. This also has tea tree oil, which is great for the skin. I'm going to be explaining all the instructions in the later part of the video, so stay tuned for that. So now I'm going to be opening the packet. So when you open the pack, you see 5 individually wrapped nose pose strips, and along with that there's also a soothing aloe vera gel in a small pack. That's the aloe vera gel that you need to put on your nose after you've removed the strips. When you peel off the individual packing, this is what you'll see. You're supposed to peel off the pose strip from the liner and make sure you stick this shiny side on your nose. Put a hot wet towel on your nose area to open your pores and to moisten it up.
Peel the nose pose strip out of the thing, and you have to put the shiny bit on your nose. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm sorry, I could not put the nose pose strip properly, so I went in front of the mirror. So basically you have to put the nose pose strip like this. The instructions say that you have to put the nose pose strip with the shiny side on your nose. I saw a video by My Happiness, I saw it by Komal, and she put it the wrong way. So you basically have to put the shiny side on your nose and you have to let this on your skin till it dries, so for like 15 minutes, and then you peel it off and then you get rid of all of your blackheads. I'm going to be chilling for a while. I'm going to chill for 15 minutes and then let's see how this works for me. Alright, so it's been 10-15 minutes since I have this pose strip on, and it's kind of really firm on my nose now. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it and show you how it works. So you are supposed to take it from the side towards the middle. And
this is not hot. It hurts.
this removed so much of the gunk in my nose, like it's not even funny. You can see
Like pyramids of like gunk. I had all of this in my nose.
remove the strip and it feels really light. It feels like a skin of my hair is removed and it feels really nice. My skin is bumpy at all and it's very smooth. Further, I'm going to put the cleansing, this refreshing gel whatever
on my nose. So wait, I have to close this also now. I'm going to be applying that on my nose now. So
So it's safe to say that I extracted the shit out of my face, because if I show you the close-up of this nose pore strip, you can see a lot of gunk on this pore strip. I'm not going to be showing you the close-up because it's as disgusting as it sounds, and I don't want to disgust my viewers out, and I don't want you guys to unsubscribe and go away. So anyway, coming to the final review of this nose pore strip and the conclusion, this works perfect for anyone. This worked perfectly for me, so I hope it works perfectly for you. Make sure you wet the whole of your skin, because I don't wet this area and not stick very well. So make sure your nose is very wet when you apply the nose pore strip. Otherwise, it works perfectly for me. This really is for 119 rupees, which is great for the price, so you don't really need to go to the beauty parlor to get your cleanup done. You can do it at home, and it really smoothens your skin up, smoothens your nose up, and if you have a bumpy nose, then this would work perfectly for you. So if you want to give a nose pore strips a chance, go ahead and buy this. This is available on Nykaa. I'll put the link down below. This is available in almost all the beauty stores. I've seen this a lot of times, but I tried this for the first time. So this worked perfectly for me, and I hope this worked perfectly for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys liked the first impressions video. This was actually my first impressions video. So if you guys like this video and want more first impressions, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below that you want more first impressions video. I have a giveaway coming up very soon for all of you, so stay tuned for that. Be very active on all of my videos and my Instagram. My Instagram and my Snapchat handle will be somewhere here. And don't forget to click the notification button if you haven't clicked that already. That will just notify you whenever I post. And that is about it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to